how to convert BTC to USDT in Binance. So first, you just have to go to your Binance account and make sure that you're fully verified here. So to buy or sell or convert BTC to USDT, you just have to go to Binance, buy crypto, and then here you have to enter the amount. Make sure that this one is from BTC, convert to USDT. Now, here's the thing. Most of the cases, you cannot do this method like me. I can't find a BTC here. I can convert BTC to USDT. So if that's the case, if you can convert it right here, then you have to proceed to the second method. What you're going to do is to go and look for your spot. Okay, tap spot here, and then you will see the estimated balance. Now you have to scroll down and look for BTC. Go to convert. Okay, tap convert here, and then you will see this. Now what you're going to do is to simply convert your amount or the amount from BTC to USDT. Okay, how are you going to do that? Just have to enter the amount here. Okay, make sure that you have the enough balance, and then select currency, type USDT, and then convert. Obviously, after doing that, you will see the result right here under estimated balance. Okay, so that's the second method on how to convert your BTC to USDT. Now, if this one didn't work again, then go to trade and then go to margins. Here, what you're going to do is to simply do the same method or process. So you just have to skip this one. You don't need to read all the following here. Just go to the right side. And then here under search bar, you have to click the search bar right here and then type BTC and USDT. Okay, so also you can scroll down here, BTC, USDT, okay, or USDT, BTC, everything is up to you. But in case that you can find it right here, then you can just simply scroll down actually. So as you can see, if I type USDT, I can't find BTC. Or if I type BTC, I can find USDT. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down. Now here, all you have to do is to change this, okay, BTC, and then change this to USDT. Okay, and then you will see the amount right here. And then now you can buy BTC or sell BTC. And that's how easy it is. You can just simply convert BTC to USDT. Now, the very last method here, if this one didn't work again for you, is you just have to go to trade, go to P2P. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for the merchant, a merchant that's verified, of course, and the transaction is not that very high or not that really expensive. Okay, tap sell, and then here you have to click this BTC, enter the amount, and then look for USDT. Now, sell this BTC, okay, to this verified merchant here. Okay, everything is up to you. So, by the way, this is the last method, and I really hope that from any of these methods here, you can simply convert your BTC to USDT here in Binance. Okay, so I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.